This will be the world's first foldable phone with a waterproof hinge.
Royol just beat Samsung to the punch with the Flexpai, the world's first foldable smartphone that transforms into a tablet.
At CES 2019, the Chinese company exhibited the Flexpai, a flexible device that's portable and features high-definition screen quality. The device, which was initially launched on October 31, 2018, costs $1,318 and is available for pre-order on Royol's website.
The Flexpai has a bendable AMOLED display, which, according to Royol, makes the screen virtually unbreakable. Royol claims that the Flexpai can withstand over 200,000 folds, so you won't have to worry about damage if you're changing it from a smartphone to a tablet. When the Flexpai is unfolded, it has a 7.8-inch display, which can be used in split-screen mode for seamless scrolling. It's easy to stream digital content or read articles online, due to the Flexpai's high-definition pixel quality. The Flexpai screen can display incoming call, text, and social media messages, so you won't miss notifications. Plus, the Flexpai has 2 cameras that can capture pictures at different angles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like video.